Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am at Mountain Joy, a wonderful little cabin up here in McCall. And we're going to do a quick video tutorial on the television operation downstairs. And so we're down here in the living room area. Now this is a smart TV from Samsung. And we also happen to have a Sony BlueRay Player as well. And so as you're going through, we have a CableOne controller, as well as the Samsung controller. Now with the smart TV, being able to kind of go through the different resources, you have the source button up on top. And so I've already pushed the source button. Now what's nice is that you can go through and it'll actually allow you to hit the cable button. And you can't quite see that here, but there you go. And so on the television itself, along the bottom, you actually have access and control using your arrow keys, your input buttons right here. So if you have Netflix, you can go and utilize your account, log into Netflix, Prime, Hulu, and so forth. If you need to change, HDMI 2 is the control for the Blu-ray player, which now I've kind of activated and started. So it's HDMI 2, which is the Blu-ray player. And then you have CableOne is cable. So as you scroll through, you can hit the source button. Along the bottom, the information will show up. And that will allow you to scroll through and access the different stations. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. The phone number in the office, it's the 208-634-0030. And you can feel free to give us a call, help you run through things. But if you have any further questions, you've got the line, you've got the number, the 208-634-0030. Oh, so cute.